Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon finished in reflex silver. This is a 5-door model, 1 litre TSI SE technology. Features on the car are the daytime running lamps and front fog lights, 16-inch alloy wheels, integrated LED indicators built into the mirror housing, the rear of the car, the Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, revealing a large loading space with access to the rear seats that fold 60/40. Car's finished with a black cloth interior and seats 5 in total. Has 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, a leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 9,900 miles. Has a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, traffic updates, hands-free calls, and a vehicle menu as well. There's also air conditioning, storage at the front with 2 USB ports and 3.5mm auxiliary, hill hold facility, and storage in the centre with an armrest and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further information on this particular car, please contact Patrick here at Crewe. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.